like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Like it's hot. Like it's hot. Like it's hot. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Pimps in the crib, mom.
Alright guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about the leaked hamburger event file, which is a codename for another file, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, as I said, the hamburger event file is a codename for the snowstorm event. Now, this snowstorm event is going to be a big major part for Season 7, bringing a lot of things. Alright, so with the hamburger event, there should be a lot of things. I'm not exactly sure of what they will all be, but it should be really cool. Now, I'll pop a file up just now. This video is a bit late, I'm sorry, but I'll pop this up. So if you look closely, it said hamburger underscore ambient loop 1, ambient loop 2, and ambient loop 3, which are 3 event files, which are all related to the storm, which is getting really big. Now I'll be bringing a video later today talking about the castle in it and how it's all related. You should really tune in for that. Alright guys, and this is also just a close-up, just a little leak to show you about it. But let's get back into it. So, if you don't know what is spectrograph, I'll talk about this now. Spectrograph is when you take sound wavelengths or something like that, and you put them into like a picture. This is what you get. And actually, this was tweeted out by Fortnite Battle Royale Likes, and if you looked in it, you may have seen AIM's logo, which is kind of weird. Why would Epic Games spend a lot of time doing that? Like, isn't that a waste of time? But I guess they're just trying to hide it from us. I think this is really cool. I'll pop a more enhanced photo up now. So this is also tweeted out by Fortnite Battle Royale Leaks. His Twitter, he's like a really big leaker, and he does a lot of leaks. Now, I'll play a sound file of this in just a sec. But just before I wrap up, I'd like to say thank you for 28 subscribers in just a week. That was pretty crazy. Thanks for all the support. And I hope you enjoyed this little sound file that I'll pop up now of the storm event sounds.
Like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Like it's hot. Like it's hot. Like it's hot. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Pimps in the crib, mom.